Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel One and Only Pharmacy. So friends, in this lecture we are discuss about MCQs on drug stability. Subject Physical Pharmaceutics second, B Pharmacy semester 4. So friends, I request you to please watch this video till the end. Let's start. MCQ number first. Which of the following dosage form exhibit faster rate of reaction under normal conditions? Option first emulsion, ointment, solutions, and last one suspension. And the correct answer for this question is solutions. Second question. Chemical kinetics is the study of option first rate of chemical reactions, second particle size, third rheological property, fourth interfacial tension, and the correct answer is option number first rate of chemical reactions. Chemical kinetics is the study of rate of chemical reactions. Question number third. The units for specific rate constant for a second order reaction are option first liter per mole second, second option liter second per moles, option third moles per liter second, and option 4 mole second per liter. And the correct answer for liter per mole second. The units for specific rate constant for second order reaction are liter per mole second. Question number 4. Which of the following reaction is observed in the degradation of ampicillin? Option first decarboxylation, second hydrolysis, third oxidation, and fourth racemization. And the correct reaction observed in the degradation of ampicillin is hydrolysis. Question number 5. Which of the following is the half-life of zero order reaction? Option first T1 half equal to A0 upon 2K. Second option T1 half equal to 0.693 upon 2K. Option number 3 T1 half equal to A0 upon 2. Option number 4 T1 half equal to 2K upon A0. And correct half-life zero order reaction is T1 half equal to A0 upon 2K. Option number first. Question number 6. In general reaction, rate constant in neutral pH are comparatively. Option question 6. In general reaction, rate constant in neutral pH are comparatively. Option number first equal, second higher, third lower, and fourth zero. And the correct answer is option number 3 lower. In general reaction, rate constant in neutral pH are comparatively lower. Question number C. The 7. The unit of K for zero order reaction is option first moles per liter per second, option second moles, option third moles per second, option number 4 moles per liter. And the correct unit for K for zero order reaction is option number A 1 moles per liter per second. Question number 8. The unit of activation energy is option A kJ per mole, option second J, option third N upon M, option 4 mm. And the correct answer is option number first kJ per mole. Of question 9. Which one of these method is the most effective in preventing the rate of hydrolysis? Example option number first buffer, second complexation, third removal of water, and fourth suppression of solubility. And the correct answer for this question is removal of water, option number 3. 10. In a second order reaction, the sum of the exponents in the rate law is equal to. In second order reaction, the sum of the exponents in the rate law is equal to option number first 0, option number second 1, option number third 2, and option number 4 3. And the correct answer for this question is option number 3, answer 2. 11 number question. Climatic zone second is first moderate climate, second subtropical and Mediterranean climate, third hot and dry climate, fourth hot and humid climate. And the correct answer is climatic zone second is option number second subtropical and Mediterranean climate. Question number 12. Which of the following is the half-life of first order reaction? Which of the following is the half-life of first order reaction? Option number first T1 half equal to A0 upon 2K. Second option T1 half equal to 0.693 upon 2K. And third T1 half equal to 2K. Option number 4 T1 half equal to 0.693 upon K. And the correct answer is option number 4 T1 half equal to 0.693 693 upon K. Question number 13. In reaction that follows first order kinetics, half life is expressed by equation. Option number first 0.693 upon KL. Option number second 0.301 upon KI. Option 3 0.105 upon KI. And option 4 KI equal to 0.693. And the correct answer is option number first 0.693 upon KI. Question number 4. Which of the following orders have abundant application in biological process? Answer is option number first order, option number second order, option number third order, and option number 4 zero order. The correct answer is option number first order. This question is asked in 2021 where summer exam, 2019 pattern. B from same force. Question number 15. When a rate is independent of the reactant at concentration, then it is called first option zero order reaction, second pseudo order reaction, third first order reaction, and fourth second order reaction. And the correct answer is zero order reaction, option number first. Question 16. In the hydrolysis of sucrose in hydrochloric solution, the change in the optical rotation follows the order. Option number first pseudo first, option second pseudo zero, option third second, and option fourth is zero. And the correct answer is option number first pseudo first. Question number 17. The solid state of decomposition of aspirin is presence of moisture follows the order. Option number first order, option number second pseudo first order, option number third second order, and option fourth zero order. The solid state of decomposition of aspirin is presence of moisture follows the order 0. Option number 18. In the phytochemical degradation of multisulfur preparation, the order of the reaction follows is option first order, option second pseudo first, option third second order, and option 4 0. The correct answer is 0. Question number 19. A second order reaction follows pseudo first order reaction when the concentration of a second order reaction follows pseudo first order reaction when the concentration of option number first 2 reactants are high, option second 2 reactants are low, option third one reactant is for higher the other reactant, and option fourth 2 reactants are equal. And the correct option is option number 3 one reactant is for higher the other reactant. Question number 20. Which one of them is referred as a general rate equation in bracket minus dc upon dt for the second order? Option 1 a raised to 0 b raised to 0, option second a raised to 1 b raised to 1, option third a raised to 1 b raised to 2, and option 4 a raised to 2 and b raised to 2. And the correct answer is option number second a raised to 1 b raised to 1 is referred as the general rate equation for second order. Question number 21. Penicillin G is prepared as the salt of broken penicillin G. Now, the rate of decomposition of penicillin G will be option number first increase, option number second reduce, option number 3 unchanged, option 4 unpredictable, and the correct answer is option number second reduce. Question number 22. Which of the following is primarily not a chemical decomposition? Which of the following is a primarily not a chemical decomposition? Option number first isomerization, option second hydrolysis, option third oxidation, and option fourth volatilization. And the correct answer is option number 4 volatilization. Question number 3. During autoclaving of dextrose solution, a straw color was observed. It is due to the presence of a substance called option number A furfural, option second 5-hydroxymethylfurfural, option number 3 5-hydroxyfurfural, option 4 5-methylfurfural, and correct option is option number second 5-hydroxymethylfurfural. During autoclaving of dextrose solution, a straw color is observed is due to the presence of a substance called 5-hydroxymethylfurfural. Question 24. In exothermic reaction, if we increase the temperature in the exothermic reaction, the rate of reaction will option first increase, option second decrease, option third remains constant, and option fourth none of above. And the correct answer is option number second decrease. Question 15. The dash dash technique is utilized in presence of single reactant for a determination of order of reaction. Option first, half-life method. Option second, graphical method. Option third, initial rate method. And option four, Kant-Hoff differential method. And the correct answer is option number second, is graphical method. Graphical method technique is utilized in presence single reactant for a determination of order of reaction. Question number 26. ICH stands for first option, Indian Council on Harmonization. Option number second, International Conference on Harmonization. Question number 3, intercranial healer. And option 4, none. And the correct answer is option number second, International Conference on Harmonization. 27. Question number 27. The value of T1 half equal to for second order reaction is dash dash. Option number A, 1 upon AK. Option second, 0.693 upon K. Option 3, A0 upon 2K. And option 4, A0 upon 2. And the correct answer is option number A1 upon AK. Question number 28. Aspirin undergoes decomposition in a formulation. It can be prevented by option first, adding a chelating agent. Option second, adding an antioxidant. Option 3, protecting from light. And option 4, suppressing its solubility. And the correct answer is option number 3, protecting from light. 29. The integral equation k equal to x upon et in bracket a minus x is concerned with the order. Option A, first. Option second, first pseudo first. Option third, second. And option 4, 0. And the correct answer is option number 3, second order. Question number 13. The conversion of trans-tubulin follows the molecularity. The conversion of trans-tubulin follows the molecularity. Option first, bimolecular. Option second, termolecular. Option third, unimolecular. And option 4, zero molecular. And the correct answer is option number 3, unimolecular. Question number 31. The time required for the complete degradation of a drug in a solution is a finite value. The order of that reaction is first, option second, pseudo first, option third, second, and option 4, 0. And the correct answer is option number 4, 0. 32. On a product, the label states protect from light. On a product, the label states protect from light. What type of decomposition does the product undergo? Option A, option first, carboxylation. Option second, decarboxylation. Option third, hydrolysis. And option fourth, oxidation. And the correct answer is option number 4, oxidation. Which of the following factors affect the rate of reaction? Question number 33. Example, option first, temperature. Second, catalysis. Third, dielectric constant. And fourth, all of above. The correct option is option number 4, all of above. Question number 34. If ions of similar charges involve in reaction, it will dash dash rate of reaction. Option A, increase. Option B, second, decrease. Option third, constant. And option fourth, none of above. If ions of similar charges involve in reaction, it will decrease the rate of reaction, means correct answer is option number second. Question 35. A zero order reaction is a reaction having rate of concentration of reactant. Option A, dependent. Option B, partially dependent. Option third, independent. And option fourth, none. And the correct answer is independent. A zero order reaction is a reaction having rate of concentration of reactant is independent. So friends, how you like this video? If you have any problem, this ask me in comment section. Please friends, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for daily pharmacy related updates. Thank you friends. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.